In this lesson, we're going to learn how to multiply fractions and mixed numbers. What is a mixed number? 5 and 7/8, 2 1/2, 3 1/4. So for example, you have 3 slices of pizza and 1/4. You have 2 slices of pizza and a half. If you cut each one of these into halves, and each one in this fourth right here, how many slices will you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 halves. You have 5 slices that are halves. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 fourths. 13 pieces that are in fourths. There got to be a faster way of doing this. Oh yeah, you multiply the whole number and denominator, it's 12, add the numerator, 13. I like calling it the popcorn method. 4 times 3 is 12, 1 more is 13. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 5 times 8 is 40, 7 more is 47/8. What happens if you have the number 3? 3 pizza. How would you write that as a fraction? As an improper fraction? Well, there's 3 pieces. Is 3 pieces same as 3 whole pieces same as 3 over 1? 3 divided by 1. Can 1 go in 3? 3 times 3 divided by 1 is 3. Yeah, it is. So for example, if you have 2 whole pizzas, 2 over 1 is the same thing. So you might think, okay, what's with all these mixed numbers and whole numbers? What do you want us to do with it? We're going to learn to multiply fractions and mixed numbers. For example, you have 1/2 of, remember, the word of means multiply. Let's use the mixed number of 2 1/2. So, in our stanza, multiply fraction, that's no problem. Top times top and bottom times bottom. Multiply mixed number, that's okay. Turn this to a fraction and times away. So multiply mixed number, that's okay. Turn this to a fraction and times away. What's another way to write 2 1/2 as an improper fraction? Popcorn method. That's 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5 halves. So what's 1/2 of 5 halves? Oh, top times top, 5. 2 times 2 is 5/4. But it's improper. Can 4 go in 5? 1 time. What do you have left over? 1 and the numbers. So the answer, 1/2 of 2 1/2 is 5/4 or 1 1/4. If you cannot, again, do this in your head, just divide the two numbers. And 4 go in 5, 1 time. Your remainder is 1. How do you say 1 remainder 1 as a mixed number? 1 whole with 1 leftover fourths. Let's draw this, because some of you say, all right, I don't understand what you're doing. So what's half of 2 1/2 pizza? Cut this in half. Cut this in half. Cut this in half. So put this together, it's 1 whole pizza and a fourth. So it's 1 1/4. Let's try another one. What 3/4 of 8? Multiply mixed number. That's okay. Turn this to a fraction and times away. That's not a fraction. How can I write that as an improper fraction? Oh, put a 1 underneath it. Now times away. Top times top is 24, bottom by 4. Improper. How many 4s go in 24? 6 times. Are there any remainder? No. So some of you say, let's do this a pictorial model. You have 8 pizzas, or 8 circles. What is 3/4 of it? Cut it into 4 piles. Put them in 4 piles. So this is the first pile, second pile, third pile. Third pile, 3 piles out of 4. So it's 6 pies. So that's the thing. So let's do something a little more difficult. What's 3/5 multiplied by 3 3/4? So multiply mixed number. That's okay. Turn this to a fraction and times away. Turn this to a fraction. So turn that fraction. Popcorn method. That's 12 plus 3 is 15/4. So times away. 3 times 15 is 45. 5 times 4 is 20. That's improper. Can 20 go in 45? 2 times. That's 40. What do you have left over? 5/20. So the answer could be 3/5 times 3 3/4 could be 45/20 or 2 and 5/20. Hold up. Can't you simplify that? Divide both numbers by 5. You know, when it ends with 5, you need to divide by 5. Is 2 and 1/4. So 45/20, 2 and 5/20, 2 and 1/4. And that's how you multiply fractions and mixed numbers. So you just turn it to a fraction and you times